Hallo, wie geht's? This is Welsh ASMR 82. Hey, how you doing? Also, in diesem ASMR-Video auf Deutsch, heute Abend, lerne ich ein bisschen Deutsch, natürlich. Und heute Abend lerne ich die Kleidung mit diesem Buch Key Stage 3 German. Key Stage 3 German. Key Stage 3 is for kids aged 11, 12, 13 and maybe 14 as well. This is how basic German is in our schools. Okay, so die Kleidung is clothing, it's feminine, die Kleidung. So let's learn some of these. And the verb tragen, to wear. So, das Hemd, the shirt, das Hemd, die Bluse, the blouse, die Bluse. T-shirt is das T-shirt, das T-shirt. Jumper, der Pullover, der Pullover. Jacket is die Jacke, die Jacke. A dress is das Kleid, das Kleid. A skirt is der Rock, der Rock. Coat, der Mantel, der Mantel. Raincoat, der Regenmantel, der Regenmantel. Jeans, die Jeans. I'm not sure how you pronounce the G. Jacke, it's not jeans, is it? Jeans, I think. Tie is die Krawatte, die Krawatte. From French, la cravate. This is also feminine. Hat, der Hut. I like this one. Der Hut. Trousers, die Hose, die Hose. Glasses, die Brille, die Brille. A shoe is der Schuh, and plural is die Schuhe, die Schuhe. One glove is der Handschuh. I love the logic. A handschuh, der Handschuh, and the plural die Handschuhe. And then socks, die Socke, die Socke, and plural die Socken. So I tend to get the masculine, feminine, neuter concept confused. So let's think masculine, feminine, neuter. So masculine are der Pullover, der Rock, der Mantel, der Regenmantel, der Hut, die Brille, der Schuh. So, Schuh, Hand, Schuh. Feminine, there's quite a lot of feminine actually. I'm gonna maybe give myself a bit more room. Feminine, we've got die Bluse, die Jacke, die, let's say jeans, die Krawatte, die Hose, die Brille, and obviously the plurals are always die, that's fine. And then neuter, das Hemd, das T-Shirt, das Kleid, can't do capital K's very easily, die Jeans, die Krawatte, der Hut, die so, oh, so very few in neuter. Hemd, T-shirt, Kleid. Okay. So then to say what you wear, you say ich trage, and remember that it's einen for anything in this bracket. Ich trage einen Schuh, einen Handschuh, einen Hut, einen Pullover, einen Rock, einen Mantel, einen Regenmantel. But then for the others it's the same. So ich trage eine Bluse, eine Jacke. Ich trage ein Hemd, ein T-Shirt, ein Kleid. To say he or she is wearing, it's sie trägt. The Umlaut trägt. Ich trage ein T-Shirt. It's einen for der things, eine for die things, ein for das things. I'm wearing a T-shirt. And ich trage Handschuhe. I'm wearing gloves. Socks, shoes and gloves are all plurals. You don't need to use einen, eine or ein with these. And then I suppose it's the same for kein, right? So, ich trage keinen Hut. Ich trage keine Krawatte und ich trage kein T-Shirt. And then the next thing is on colours and materials. So colour words are useful for lots of things, but they're especially good at describing your clothes. Learn these colours: schwarz, grau, weiß, rot, gelb, grün, blau, blau, rosa, orange, braun. To say what colour something is, put the colour first. Der weiße Rock. To be 100% correct, you have to stick an ending on the colour word. See page 117. Yeah, that's the hard part. Although if you just say it at the end, if you say das Hemd ist schwarz, that's fine. But then I think it's das schwarze Hemd. 117. I'll come back to that. And these materials, die Wolle, die Baumwolle, das Leder. You can add a material to a garment to make one giant word, but drop the E from Wolle in Baumwolle. Ein Wollpullover, a woolen jumper. Describe your school uniform. Well, I'm not a child, so I don't have one, but ich trage eine graue Hose, einen Wollpullover, eine schwarze Krawatte und ein Baumwollhemd. A cotton jumper, or no, shirt. I agree, it's a cotton shirt, yeah. So 117. Kind of opening up a can of worms here on one of the most difficult parts of German grammar. Okay, so they don't change after is, we know this. The big dress. After der, die and das add I. Der große Pulli, die große Jacke, das große Kleid. But then after ein, they're different, so blauer, ein blauer, eine blaue, ein blaues. Ein blauer Pulli, eine blaue Jacke, ein blaues Kleid. Make sure you know your adjective endings. After der, die and das is pretty straightforward, you just add I. Gets a bit more complicated with ein and ein though. Oh well, you'll just have to learn them. Indeed. But at least I was right. It is ich trage. Oh, but does it change for the accusative? Ich trage einen schwarze Hemd? No, das Hemd ist das anyway. Ich trage ein weißes T-Shirt. Ja? Oder ich trage, what can I say there? Trage, but does it change for der words? Schuh, Pullover. So I said, ich trage, it's einen, grünen, or grüner in that case. I don't think it explains that in the back, does it? 117, let's go back to it and just check. If someone wants to let me know in the comments, I'll be very appreciative. Blauer Bulli. Does it deal with case endings? So it says here, object einen Handschuh, but it doesn't deal with adjectives in that case. It's got about verbs. The dative case. The accusative case. Paul kauft den Wagen. Yes, das Hemd ist rot. Paul kauft das Hemd. Das rote Hemd? It doesn't actually explain. Okay, I need to look into that before next time. Unless you want to put it in the comment section for me. Although here it says der, and other little words that go with der words get n on the end. For die and das words, there's no change. Okay, so I think I found something I don't really understand or remember. So I need to look that up. Okay, Dankeschön, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bis bald. Don't forget to give a like. Please help me in the comment section and click subscribe if you're new. Thank you. Dankeschön. Bis bald. Bye 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 bye.